Welcome to Hevji Dhora, Green Earth. Today I'm going to talk about the Miyawaki method in detail. So what is Miyawaki method of afforestation? Miyawaki is an afforestation technique pioneered by Akira Miyawaki, a Japanese botanist. This technique helps build native and dense forests in a very short span of time. The Miyawaki forest grow 10 times faster than conventional forests and are 30 times denser. So what constitutes a Miyawaki forest? So to understand a Miyawaki forest, let's first understand what is a conventional forest and how does a conventional forest grow. Conventional forest grows in stages. In primary stage, grasses and small shrubs grow, and then sub trees grow, then big trees grow, and finally you have canopy trees, the very big trees. So you have different layers in the forest: shrub layer, sub tree layer, and canopy layer. So and these are different stages, like the primary stage where grass and small trees grow, or the shrubs grow. Then you have a secondary layer, sub trees grow, and then you have climax stage where trees and the canopy trees grow. In Miyawaki method, what it does, it doesn't follow this method, starting from grass. It plants the canopy layer directly, or the climax stage directly, meaning the canopy, tree, sub tree, shrub, everything is planted together. So conventional forest, which takes from 150 to 300 years depending on which region you are in, the Miyawaki forest, a climax stage in a Miyawaki forest can be achieved within 20 to 30 years of time, because directly the climax stage is planted with all these different varieties of trees. Now, few points to note. While creating a Miyawaki forest, you need to select only native plants, only native species of plants. Select as many varieties of plants as you can. So it shouldn't be a monoculture. It has to be with a lot of different varieties of species of plants. Then test your soil to check if you need to prepare it first for the plantation. These 3 points you need to note. Now, the benefits of a Miyawaki forest. So native plants are naturally selected through evolution to survive and thrive in the local environmental conditions. So when we select native plants in Miyawaki method, we ensure that these plants, the survival rate is really high for these plants. Then the plants grow 10 times faster than conventional plantation techniques. Around 30 times more plants can grow in the same space as compared to conventional methods, and around 30 times more carbon sequestration than conventional forest, because it's 30 times denser than the conventional forest.